Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate lip gloss. First, gather your ingredients: 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of beeswax pellets. You will also need a small heat-safe bowl, a stirring stick, and clean lip balm containers. This simple recipe creates a delightful, moisturizing gloss with a sweet scent. Next, we'll melt and mix our ingredients. Using a double boiler, gently heat the beeswax pellets and coconut oil until they are completely liquid. Once melted, remove from heat and carefully stir in the 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix thoroughly until the powder is fully incorporated and there are no lumps, ensuring a smooth texture for your gloss. Now, let's add some flavor and prepare for pouring. If desired, add 3 to 5 drops of a food-grade flavoring oil, such as vanilla extract or peppermint oil, to enhance the hot chocolate experience. Stir well to distribute the flavor evenly. Then, carefully pour the warm liquid mixture into your clean lip balm containers, filling them almost to the top. Finally, let your hot chocolate lip gloss cool and set. Place the filled containers in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes, or simply leave them at room temperature for a few hours until fully solidified. Once firm, your homemade lip gloss is ready to use. It offers a lovely shine and a hint of chocolate. Remember to check the description for the link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.